What's up, guys? We're over here at the Westin Mission Hills in Palm Springs. So I actually got the 2-bedroom villa. So we got these 2 units right here. I'm sorry, these 2 units right here. So as you can see, there's 1 master suite and 1 general suite, I guess you would say. In here, you get your own washer and dryer setup. Comes with detergent, lint remover and everything like that. You actually get a full kitchen, which is really awesome. They stock you fully with silverware, cooking utensils. You get pots and pans, can opener. You get all kinds of stuff. Check this out. Barbecue utensils. There's a barbecue out back. You get a blender. In here you get an assortment of different cooking utensils, spatulas, needles, and things like that. You can even bake. You get a full working stove, electronic, and oven. Full fridge and freezer, microwave. More storage up here. Glasses, plates, things like that. Placemats. Get your own window right here. Full sink, comes with soap and everything you need to do your dishes. You get your dining area right here. And check this bathroom out, guys. Sweet! Huge setup. You get a 3 shower head setup, all glass. You get a full bath, jets. Actually came with the soap and everything like that. Double sinks. Usual, you get your hair dryer. Tons of towels, robe. Get your own bathroom right there, your throne concealed. It's a sliding door to close up, and then you can even open this up, take a bath, watch TV right here, fireplace, king size bed in the master. You get a little patio out here. If you're on the 2nd floor, you actually get your own balcony that's concealed and everything like that. Closet, safe, typical stuff. That setup is for the pull-out bed, which is right out here. Right there. Folds out to basically a full-size bed. Another fireplace. Another TV. There's 4 TVs in this whole setup, which is really awesome. Seating here outside. There's your barbecue, which is propane. Everything's hooked up for you, ready to go. All your hookups, HDMI, USB-C, USB charging ports, all that fun stuff. And this is the other general suite. You get a little kitchen, dual stove, little sink, fridge, microwave. The other one, dishwasher. It's the connected bathroom to the bedroom here. Single sink, but it's a little bit larger. Natural rain shower, which is awesome. This is, I believe, a queen size bed. Yeah, I believe that's a queen. Might be a full, but another seating area out here. You do not get a barbecue grill. Closet, bunch of drawers, and then another TV. Out here is the other pull-out sofa. Another TV. Hookups here. You get a Bose sound system, and that is everything. So we really enjoyed our stay. They got a nice pool inside, which I will show you in another video. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I highly recommend you guys check this place out. All right, peace.